Welcome to Midland Care's Hospice House. As you enter, you're greeted by the warm smell of cookies and food and snacks. The Comfort Cafe has drinks and snacks available 24 hours a day. There's also a soup of the day that is served from about lunch till dinner. It's nice for families to come in here and grab something to snack or eat so they don't have to leave their loved one. Through this space is one of our visiting rooms. Families and friends can sit and visit with a little bit more space as they are staying with their loved ones. Through here is another visiting space. This one has the pianos. We have volunteers that occasionally play the piano for us. Families and patients quite enjoy that. The hospice house was renovated. The project finished in 2022. It encompassed several different pieces, but we added some additional living room space, visiting space, and the sun porch and the passageway. So down this hall are the patient rooms. The hospice house has room for 12 patients. The roses are for everyone that has passed. Every patient gets a rose. Through here is one of our rooms. All the rooms are fairly typical. They do vary in size and shape a little bit, but all come with the kind of standard similar things. All rooms, of course, have a fully convertible bed, recliners for the families that turn into beds if they'd like to stay. All have private bathrooms, and all have medications locked on site, allowing the nurse quick access to administer medications. Down this way is one of those additions. It is a sunroom. This sunroom used to be an outdoor patio. During the renovation, they saw the need for an enclosed, climate-controlled space, and this certainly fits the bill. The doors are wide enough that we can roll patients in their beds out here if need be, to spend time with families and loved ones. Down below us, kind of in front of us, is a children's play area, so that if children would like to play when the weather's nicer, they certainly may. Midland Care is proud that it's been a hospice provider in Northeast Kansas since 1978. We continue to offer hospice, home health, and PACE services throughout the area. If you certainly have any questions about any of those, you can give us a call at 785-232-2044. One wonderful thing about the hospice house is the nursing ratio, so we try to keep the nursing ratios very strong. So typically it's no more than one nurse per 4 patients. In your visit here, you might see some of the black and white photos that are framed there. Those are all taken by one of our providers. Through this way is the passageway. Through here is the passageway. And we also have the chapel. So the chapel is where we can have on-site worship services as the patients and their families need. Nice, comfortable space here. And then as we finish, we'll go to the passageway. This is a nice climate-controlled entry and exit for patients. They can come in here out of the elements and in privacy which is fantastic given this January weather that we're having. Thanks for coming on tour with us.